volar?
Es difícil esta pregunta.
Para mí volar es la expresión máxima de libertad.
Fly means freedom, means one very important part of my life.
Flying for me is life. It's an extremely big part of my life.
It means everything.
Todo, ¿no? Toda mi vida está relacionada con la aviación, el trabajo, mi tiempo libre, mis amigos incluso, o sea, todo está relacionado.
It's a constant challenging myself and a very big dose of adrenaline.
It's a combination of a feeling of freedom and a feeling of being in control of a situation which you shouldn't be in control of. You shouldn't be able to do what you're doing.
It requires you to be fresh, to think outside the box, and at the same time to have a very good knowledge of the aircraft you're flying, the airspace, etc., etc., etc.
I mean, I cannot imagine stop flying for the following years of my life.
Al final creas tu vida a partir de ese mundo de la aviación.
Es como un virus que una vez lo tienes dentro no hay vacuna que te lo quite.
Con 16 años decidí hacer vuelos sin motor, cerca de donde yo nací, en Huesca, y bueno, me quedé un poquito enganchado.
Because it's different. Like, the procedures are the same, call-outs are the same, but every single flight is different.
Hay gente que dice que volar para ellos pues es como salirse del mundo, liberarse. Yo no huyo de nada, no me hace falta, yo vuelo porque me gusta. También estoy muy a gusto en tierra, sobre todo si hay tormentas, si estoy en tierra estoy genial, pero no es una liberación de nada, simplemente me encanta volar. ¿Por qué? Eso sí que yo no te lo sé responder.
Un par de kilómetros de carretera no llevan a ninguna parte. 2 kilómetros de pista te conectan con el planeta entero. Y me quedo con eso.
From zero to hero. Discover the complete process to become a professional pilot with the European Aviation School of Barcelona. An exciting path led by experts in each subject, instructors, active pilots, and students. From zero to ATPL license, we will reveal all the mysteries and answer all the questions. We will fly, learn, and enjoy the adventure.
Our generation was born in a time when airplanes already existed, and it's not strange to see them every day. Traveling from one place to another in a few hours seems normal. It's not exciting, and it's nothing really new. I myself crossed the Atlantic for work 7 times last year, something that 80 years ago was unthinkable to do in a lifetime. And although humanity has only been able to fly for a few years, we no longer feel that excitement and fascination that we did less than 30 years ago. As we walk through airport corridors, looking for our departure gate, we forget how extraordinary it can be to cross oceans in hours, to fly so fast, so high, or to even fly at all. Behind each aircraft, each flight, there are thousands of people involved, thousands of jobs, thousands of lives that are dedicated to the fascinating world of aviation. And among all these, we find the pilots. This documentary is dedicated to all of them, and it's dedicated to this great profession. During the next few months, we will discover the complete process so that you can become a commercial airplane pilot. From zero to obtaining the airline pilot's license, we will publish each of the details and processes necessary to achieve a dream that many of us have dreamed since childhood. I feel immensely privileged to have the support of EAS, the European Aviation School, and together with them we will publish entertaining, informative and high-quality episodes to show that being a pilot is not just any profession. Being a pilot is a high-end profession. We're going to talk about the pathways to become a pilot. Where do I start from? What path shall I take? We're going to discover everything about the medical certificate to be a pilot with Carmen Reguant. we are going to talk about all that you need to know on the ATPL theory, something that no one likes but we all have to go through it. And then the fun part starts, the actual flying, both for integrated ATPL and for modular ATPL. What is a PPL? What is the time limit? Why do I need to do cross-country flights? We're also going to fly at night. What is the BFR night rating? After that, we're going to check about the multi-engine rating. How does it feel to fly one engine versus two engines? After that, we're going to know everything about the instrument flight rules and the instrument rating. After a few episodes about the instrument rating, we're going to finish with a few episodes on the commercial pilot license itself, as well as the upset recovery training.
I'm Petia and I'm an airline pilot.
My name is Mehdi and I'm a professional pilot.
My name is Alex and I'm a pilot.
My name is Pau Moya and I'm a flight instructor.
Soy Mar y soy piloto comercial.
Soy Javi Gámez, piloto de línea aérea.
I'm Ivo and finally I'm commercial pilot.
Hola, soy Alfonso Contreras y soy piloto pagafuegos.
Soy Judith y soy piloto comercial.
I'm Vanessa Monferrer and I'm flight instructor.
My name is Petter Hörnfeldt, also known as mentor pilot.
Hello everyone, this is Oscar and I'm a student pilot here at the European Aviation School in Barcelona. In this series of videos, I'm going to be your image and your voice to show you the complete process about becoming a professional pilot here at EAS Barcelona. Join me in this incredible adventure during the next few months as we fly, learn, and we enjoy this beautiful journey together, one that has never been shown like this before. Follow us on social media, Instagram, YouTube, on our website. We're going to be publishing weekly videos on all the platforms of EAS Barcelona on this beautiful series, step by step explaining how to become a professional pilot from zero to ATPL. I will see you all in the next video next week.